In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another person in a photo using Lightroom, and I need to start with the most important point right away. You actually cannot add a person directly inside Lightroom. Lightroom is built for editing light, color, contrast, exposure, and overall photo enhancement, but it is not designed for compositing or placing one image element into another. If you want to combine a person into a photo, you need a tool with layers, and that means Photoshop. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing tutorials. Now let's break this down in a simple way. If you are working in Lightroom, you can improve the look of both images first. You can adjust brightness, shadows, highlights, white balance, and color so that your subject and background match better. That can help a lot if you plan to move the image into Photoshop afterward. But the actual process of adding a person to a photo cannot be done in Lightroom alone because Lightroom does not have layers, masks for compositing, or the ability to cut out one subject and place them into a different scene. So if your goal is to put another person into a photo, the correct workflow is to use Lightroom for photo preparation and Photoshop for the actual compositing. Here is the easiest way to think about it. First, edit your photos in Lightroom if you want to make them look clean and consistent. Then open the image in Photoshop. In Photoshop, you can place the second person on a separate layer, remove the background, position them where you want, and blend the lighting and shadows so everything looks natural. That is the tool you need for this job. If you only have Lightroom, the answer is simple. You can't directly add another person into the photo. You can only edit the existing photo. So the best solution is to switch to Photoshop for the layering step. If you are searching for a way to do this in Lightroom, now you know the truth, and you can save a lot of time by going straight to the right software. If you want more fast, practical editing tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.